The water in every one of the tributaries of Shotwell can swell up to bank full or beyond. And where our intake is located, we can have a lot of issues with turbidity from this watershed. So having partnerships with land trusts is really a key to protecting land, especially on key watersheds.
I think it's great that a lot of attention is going towards Shotwell altogether through various partners. The Skaneateles Lake watershed is very small, so that means whatever we can do can move the needle. In terms of success, it's really, are we answering the moral responsibility of ensuring the next generations have it as good as we've had it through the years?
As our world becomes more urban and developed, kids don't get a chance to go out and just hang out and play in the woods. And this is going to be enough woods that they can do that. And it's close enough to their homes.
There's a lot of people out there who are starting to realize what this is going to mean, and they're really getting excited about it. What it's going to offer physically and socially and just mentally for people if they want to get away and walk and enjoy nature.
The research shows that children need to have frequent positive experiences outside in a natural setting to really develop a sense of how they fit into the world and a sense of caring for the natural environment. And what could be more important than that?
Because we need more and more of the community to care for these really important resources.
To have that for the community just is, I think, such a gift for all of us.
It's a win-win for everybody.